Hello, this is the recording for week 2 in IS323. This week in the discussion you have two elements to respond to. One has to do with the design factors, and the other is about managing resources. So respond to those two things in your post. Make sure you cite your sources using APA, and don't forget to use in-text citation. You need 2 replies by Sunday at 11:59. Excuse me, the week 2 assignment is due Sunday at 11:59 p.m. You're to complete the Diane's Run Case Problem 3 from Tutorial 1 in your book. Excuse me a minute. Sorry about that. So you're reading again Tutorial 1 and then completing Problem 3. Make sure you send all of these files when you zip them together. The week 2 quiz is due Sunday at 11:59. It can only be taken once. Know what a home page is. That's on page E6, which is the appendix. Know how to create a link to an anchor page, 63. Know what tag can be used to make an image clickable for different links, page 324. That's an image map. So know what a hotspot is, page, oops, that's a mistake. It should say what a hotspot is and how to create each shape. That's on page 324. So in your image map, when you're creating the hotspot, you can have different shapes. So you need to know what shapes you can have and how to create them. And that's another one, is talking about creating the shapes. If the coordinates of your area tags, in other words, your hotspots, in an image map overlap, the first tag is used. Know what web browsers communicate with web servers using. That's on page 64. Know what a navigation list is, page 55. Know the difference between relative and absolute paths and the syntax for each. It's on page 61. Know the protocol used to open a user's email client and address a new message, and that's in the glossary reference 7. Know what you are vulnerable to when you add email address as links, page 67. Know the difference between a linear structure and a hierarchical structure. That's in the appendix E1 through E2. Know how hypertext is created, page 57. To enable users to jump to a specific location within a document, you first what? That's on page 63. This is really short. That's all I have this time. If you have any questions, please let me know.